When he actually apologized to Tony Sacconaghi, I was like, holy cow, what is going on? Is this conference call a good conference call? No, it was a great conference call. Now, I know that the people who believe that this is all completely done with smoke and mirrors, the David Blaine folks, are going to be depressed today for what a lot of us feel, which is, damn, this was a good call. I mean, $718 million gap negative cash for free cash flow. Okay, so let's look. There's some bad free cash flow numbers, but you do have 43% revenue gain. You do have the Model 3 gross margins slightly positive. Now, a lot of people feel these numbers are all made up, that Shanghai could sell 700,000, 800,000 cars. But you know what? This was the most thorough, most reasoned, most sane conference call he's ever given. And when you finish it, you said, well, wait a second. People are switching from the Prius, from the Accord, from the Leaf, from the Civic, from the BMW 3. They do have $2.2 billion in cash on hand. Now, people are going to disagree with that because the accounting is very fungible, as we saw with General Electric.
Right.
Accounting can be fungible. General Electric had a fungible accounting. But, Jeff Immelt was certainly more statesmanlike than Elon Musk.
You said it out loud.
Yeah, well, you just used his name.
Did I?
Yeah.
Sorry about that.
No,
but, who's counting? But I have to tell you, the accounting of GE was, I now think, as every bit as fungible as the accounting of what Musk does.
Throwing out a lot of bombs
Twilight
today,
of the
aren't
Idols,
you?
partner.
You really are.
I could roll over and just say the Chinese. I'm good at. Look, my father worked for the Chinese.
Okay. When it comes,
it was the business he was chosen.
When it comes to Tesla's valuation. And the fact that they are going to potentially be a profitable company at some point, not that long from now, do they run the risk of actually then starting to be valued as a good old-fashioned automotive company?
Oh, my God. I thought it, but I saw the 43% revenue growth, and Square did 60, and Square's down today. I said to myself, now the key thing is don't show a profit, because I want to value you on sales, and that's why I was more positive. Because now I got a 43% technology stock. That puts it up there with the Cloud Kings.
Right. You can justify an incredibly high multiple.
You said it. You said it.
Yeah.
You can justify an incredibly high multiple. And that's what's happening today. Because if they don't need the money and they are going to be profitable, or he says they're going to be profitable, then you know what? It's a tech stock. And I've got tech stocks that sell at 100 times earnings that make nothing.